Hello everyone. Today the issue we are facing is there are a client website and this automated page optimization and Nitropack page is coming down in the footer. So today I will teach you how to remove this footer. The footer cannot be removed with the CSS and other techniques. So what I have done here is managed to add a JavaScript code to remove this. As you can see, there's a dynamic class of on this div. So to do this thing, we have added something like it's a client website. So you guys have to add a plugin at first. It's called header footer code manager. There you go. I have installed it and activated it. You guys can activate it. After activating this, you have to go to this into this plugin settings. Not in settings, but in this sidebar, you can see there's the icon and HFCM is written there. What we have to do is add a new snippet. Snippet name, you can write anything. Site display, site wide. You can exclude it on pages, post, but I want to show it site wide. So, and in location, we have to select footer, show on all devices, status active. I have kept copy this whole script and paste it here in this. Click. After saving it, I will go to all the snippets. It's on. So now we can visit the website. As you know, you can't see it while you are logged in. So I have to open it in a incognito window. Refresh the page. Okay, now let me clear the cache from here. Not there. Yeah, from this page. The page is first. Now this one here too. First did this one too. Now I will open another incognito window. Let's see if it's gone or not. There you guys can see the page is gone now. Enjoy everyone, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'm actually trying to help you guys there, so a like and subscribe can encourage me to make more videos like this.